Here's the deal. I'm gonna come to your house and totally transform your ugly room. Good news, not gonna cost you a thing. Zip, zero, nada. Bad news, you lose all control, because America's taken over. Could you live with their choices? Would you still take the deal? Well, the Russells did.
Wow, this is awesome.
Guess once it's put in, I'll just brace myself.
I can't believe this.
If they love it, great. They just got a free room. If they hate it, tough luck. They gotta live with it, because this is Run My Renovation. You guys ready to see the floors?
Oh, yeah.
For this big area, we have carpet. And then for the small area, the foyer, the entrance, it's gonna be wood.
Okay.
All right, Joan, throw them down.
All right.
Our DIY voters got to choose between a pattern called Shirt, a pattern called Rembellish, and a color called Spot On. But when choosing, they also had to think about how it would look with the entryway choices: bamboo, maple, or cork.
If I had to pick, I would pick this floor with this carpet. That's really green. It almost looks like grass.
With this cork, I kind of like that green.
So this is your color combination.
That's my color combination.
That's what you prefer. You guys ready to see what won?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Which one?
We narrowed the field. It's one of these two combos, the maple and Spot On, or the cork and Rembellish. This is what won, the maple flooring with the Spot On carpet.
That doesn't look too bad, though.
Okay. I got my wood floors, which I'm really excited about, but the carpet is not my favorite at the moment. But you never know. I guess once it's put in, I'll just brace myself.
The key to carpet squares is starting with a straight line. Pull it nice and tight. So now that is our reference line. You can see these carpet come with a barrier. They have a barrier on the bottom, okay?
Okay.
And this also stops them from moving around. More insurance for that is this two-sided tape. We're going to put them on all corners. Another good thing about our chalk line, it allows us to work in different directions. Once we get started, we're able to knock out the entire room pretty fast. And when a cut is necessary, a utility knife makes it happen.
I think the carpet goes well with the walls, but I just don't know if I can. I'm still hurting with the green color a little bit.
They have a master plan for you.
I'm
and
sure.
When you see it all come together, I think you're going to be happy.
I hope so.
Stay positive.
I'm staying positive.
Come on in. Check out.
Wow. Wow, this is awesome. I can't believe this. This doesn't even look like the same room. What do you think, babe?
I love it. It looks just like us. Really, it does.
This used to be a garage, and when we came here, it wasn't far from that. I mean, it was just like a junk room. Now, it's a well-groomed room that they can entertain people. The confusing entrance is now clearly defined with a new entry door. We framed out a mud room for them, and we put in a new window, and there's a bench for them to store their coats, and I think they're very happy with it.
From the paint to the floor to the fixtures, this room has really come together to make an impressive space.
I love it. I'm just kind of looking around to see. The beds are my favorite. Oh my gosh!
Oh, they're even named.
They have dog beds!
I think it's perfect.
I don't think I could ask for much more. Honestly, I think it's fabulous, and it's exactly what we were wanting. So, all in all,
Great.
2 thumbs up.
Let's watch some TV.